All right, so this week's word of the week for week number 3 is going to be encouragement. Now, how many of you have ever heard that word before? The word encouragement means the action of giving someone support or hope. So get ready to go. We're going to start our Fast 5 in just a moment. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 3 is going to be crisscrosses, reverse lunges, mountain climbers, as well as hill taps. So stay tuned. I'll go and demonstrate those activities and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Fast 5, workout number 3, number 1. Workout number 1 is going to be crisscrosses. So now, this is what I call crisscrosses. It could be like scissor kicks, it could play. It's up to you guys what you want to name it, okay? My students know it as crisscrosses. So here we go. You're just gonna cross your feet. You can go in front, in back, or you can just stay in front. Or you can just go in behind. It's completely up to you. I like to go forward and backwards, okay? So that's crisscrosses. That's workout number 1, exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be reverse lunges. So that's pretty simple. Reverse, you place either your right foot, left foot, whatever you feel comfortable. You're gonna place it backwards, and then your left foot may go forward a little bit, and you're gonna go down and up, okay? I'd recommend maybe doing 5 or 10 of these straight, and then switch sides. So we'll do 5, then I switch, right foot comes forward, left foot goes down, and again, just drop down, all right? So that's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers, very similar to a push-up position or a push-up plank that we did a few weeks ago. In that push-up position, make sure your hands are about shoulder width apart, get upright, okay? And you're gonna place one foot forward, and you're gonna alternate your feet. You're gonna go back and forth, okay? Like this. Now, the closer you get your knees to your chest, the better the impact of the exercise, okay? So that's mountain climbers. Last one, we got hill taps. You're gonna go on your bottom. You're gonna place your head on the floor. And what you're gonna do is get your hands and you're simply gonna tap your heel and you're gonna go side to side. All right, so that's exercise number 4 is hill taps. So I'll go and get ready and we'll start our Fast 5 workout in just a moment. Here we go, exercise number 1. It's going to be crisscrosses. All right, so let's get ready to go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. And if you guys are new to the Fast 5 workouts, just a quick reminder, we're going to do 4 exercises for 30 seconds each, a 1-minute water break, and then we're going to repeat the same 4 exercises for another 30 seconds each, thus leading us to a 5-minute workout. Great job. Keep up. Keep working hard. You're doing fantastic. Don't quit. All right, next one up, we got reverse lunges. Again, I'm gonna do 5 and then I'm gonna switch. Forward, 5, and switch. Do the best you can. I know it's hard. Woo. I actually have a falling a bit in my knee. Still working my best. The best of my abilities. If you have to go slower, that's okay. All right, moving on. We got mountain climbers. Want to get down again. Get your knees to your chest. It's like you're running in place while in a push-up position. All right, on the bottom, let's go. Let's go hill taps. Side to side. Great job. Keep up, we're almost done with our first round. right, we got that 1 minute water break, bathroom break, sweat, towel break. Again, do these workouts to the best of your abilities. If you need to slow it down, that's okay. As long as your body's moving and working hard, you're going to be successful and you're going to get the results you guys want, okay? All right. One more time, Gordon. 15 seconds. Shake it off, take the legs off. Got one more round. Woo! Let's go. You're ready to go. Go, crisscross this again. You got it. Keep working hard. You're already on your second round. You can do it. Keep going, don't give up. Reverse lunges. And all the way to 5. Switch. Nice and easy. You're going to get better every time you do these workouts. If you have not seen Fast 5 workout number 1 and 2, I highly recommend you check those out. All right, moving on. Mountain climbers. Yeah, keep going. It's okay, take breaks. Get up, keep going. All right, last one, we're doing it. Let's go, heel taps. This is it, 30 seconds. Everything you got. And time. Congratulations, you guys just completed Fast 5 workout number 3. You guys did amazing. If you're sweating, if you're tired, if you're exhausted, great job. That means you're putting in the work. Continue working hard. If you guys, again, have not seen Fast 5 1 or 2, highly recommend you do those workouts as well, just because it only takes 5 minutes and it's a great workout. As you can see, I'm out of breath and I'm tired. But you know what? I know it's for a purpose. Keep up the good work. Until next time, take care. So for the skiing hat trick, the only thing you're gonna need is a hat and your body. That's the only supplies you're gonna need. Materials is a hat and your foot. The objective or the goal is for your foot, for you to place your hat on your foot, and you're gonna kick it up. And what you're gonna try to do is try to land it on top of your head. Now it seems pretty easy, but until you guys start doing it, I guarantee it's gonna get harder than it looks. All right, so stay tuned and I'm gonna go and try this challenge. Check it out.
Got it.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully I can get on my first try. We'll see. All right, drop a comment below. Let me know if you think I'm gonna get it on my first try. Second try, third try, or 100th time, I don't know. It's the first time doing it. So, again, this name of the activity is hat trick. Look at that. First try, not perfect. It's on the side. So I could say, yeah, I passed, I got it in my first try, but I'm not. I'm gonna do it better. So that lands perfectly on top of my head, okay? Also, I want to highly recommend that you guys be careful of the bill. You don't want the bill to hit your face. It does hurt, okay? So let's try it again. Put it on my foot. I'm gonna kick up towards the sky. And hopefully I lined it. Did not that second time. Not that time. And as you can see, it gets harder and harder every single time you do it. Just do your best. And let me know what you guys think of the game. All right, so Jordan has his hat. He's gonna go to give a shot. Check it out. Oh, pretty close. I like that he bent down, he squatted down, try to catch it. Again, your whole body's gonna move. Your whole torso is gonna move. Everything's gonna move. So you're actually giving yourself a workout without even knowing it. If you want to challenge yourself and you have somebody available to play with you, you can actually do hat tricks with a partner. One person is going to have the hat on their foot, they're going to kick it up, towards their partner, and the partner's going to actually have it be caught on their head. So again, that's a good way to do it. You can do it by points, or you guys can do a 1 minute challenge to see how many times you guys can get on the other person's head in 1 minute. It's completely up to you. Those are all different options, different challenges. But again, the main idea of this game is for you to get the hat on your head, okay? All right, so here's the partner activity. I have my hat on my foot. I'm gonna toss it over, and Jordan's gonna try to catch it on his head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it fell off. Very close though, almost on the first try. I'm gonna get 3 turns, and then I'm gonna go and switch and let Jordan get 3 turns as well. Oh, so close again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.